Thank you for coming in for your consultation at Heartland Plastic and Hand Surgery. There's a few things we would like to review with you about your consultation. For one, your consultation is good for 6 months, meaning anytime between now and 6 months you can call the office and we can schedule your surgery. Information I also want to tell about is the information on care credit. We do have financing available. A lot of people want to know, can I make a payment, have a payment plan? The answer is yes. Care credit is very easy to use. There's either a toll-free number, a website to look at, and all care credit is going to say is yes or no. All your payment information is actually set up through here at the office, so then you'll just call the office and we'll talk about setting up payment plans. Also, I have 2 board-certified plastic surgeons, and one of them is with me today, Dr. Humphrey. Dr. Humphrey, now the patients come in for the consultation. Can you explain a little bit what they need to do from now and deciding on making that next step to schedule a cosmetic surgery?
Sure. I think, as we said in your consultation, the first thing to keep in mind is that plastic surgery is a decision that you should make for your own reasons. But if you left here and you have questions, or your consultation made you think of other questions once you got home and you were discussing or thinking about this, we'd invite you to come back in at no additional charge. I'm always available to talk with you more, answer questions, re-answer questions. Anna's also available. We can see you together. We can see you separately. We can spend as much time as you need. Most of the time, a secondary consultation is not the time commitment for you that the initial consultation is, but we can spend that much time if you need to. The important thing is we want you to have all the information you need and understand things clearly before you make your decision one way or the other. I also would encourage you, if you're looking at before and after galleries, as I likely said during your consultation, to remember that most of the results you're seeing on my site or someone else's are going to be results that are anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks in most cases, and that means the scars look very different than they're going to look at 1 year. So keep that in mind, and you also, when you're looking at the before and after galleries, remember to look at patients that look like you before in order to get a realistic idea of what your final results may look like.
Again, go look in your folder. We give you lots of information about medications to stop 2 weeks before surgery and also your care credit information. And thank you again for choosing Heartland Plastic and Hand Surgery.